Hello cuties! I'm going to show you how to draw this pretty Christmas tree and color it later. We'll start at the top and draw the star first. Here I'll show you step by step how I do it. The star gets a friendly face. We draw 2 eyes and a smiling mouth. To make my drawing easier to see, I have traced the lines and shapes more thickly. Let's continue with the tree. From the inner points of our star we first draw a line down to the left, and then a line down to the right. Then we connect the 2 ends by drawing the pine branches. You can draw the pine branches in pointed zigzags, or like me in wavy lines. We have finished the upper part of the tree. Now we move on to the slightly wider middle section. Here we draw a line down to the left, followed by a line down to the right. Then we connect the 2 ends by drawing the pine branches again. Now the middle section of the tree is finished, we can draw the widest section. Once again we draw a line down to the left, followed by another line down to the right. And then we draw the pine branches here as well. Finally we draw the tree trunk in the middle under the tree. The tree is finished, but it still needs decorating. So now we're going to draw lots of Christmas baubles on the tree. My Christmas baubles are all about the same size, but they are scattered all over the tree. Draw as many Christmas baubles on your Christmas tree as you like. Next we draw a string of lights. First we draw a diagonal line in the top part of the tree. Then we place a small light alternately below and above this line. So that you can see my fairy lights better, I have enlarged my drawing a little. We continue in the middle section of our Christmas tree. Here we draw a string of lights too, just as we did above. But if a Christmas bauble hangs over the string of lights, then the lights will not be drawn in this area. Finally we draw one last string of lights, this time at the bottom of our Christmas tree. Here we draw the lights in a staggered pattern, once above and once below the string. If the string of lights crosses a Christmas bauble, then the lights are not drawn in this area too. Our Christmas tree is now ready and we can start coloring it. However, the part of the video where I color it is much faster. First I colored the star yellow. And after that I colored my whole Christmas tree in a light green. Then I painted the tree trunk in brown. I colored some of the Christmas baubles pink. All the remaining Christmas baubles were colored blue. And after that I painted the individual lights on the fairy lights a light yellow color. Then I added a few small accents to the Christmas baubles with a white pen. And finally I painted with a slightly darker green shade. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.